Caladium, Allen's keynotes, American arum, family Araceae. Very sensitive to noise, slightest noise startles from sleep, eructations frequent of very little wind as if stomach were full of dry food. Impotence with mental depression, relaxed penis with sexual desire and excitement. No erection even after caress, no emission, no orgasm during an embrace. Pruritus vaginae induces onanism during pregnancy with mucus discharge. Falls asleep during evening fever and wakes when it stops. Sweet sweat attracts the flies. Mosquito and insect bites burn and itch intensely. Aversion to motion, dreads to move, destroys craving for tobacco. Caladium sanguinum, Boric materia medica, American arum. This remedy has a marked action on the genital organs and pruritus of this region, coldness of single parts and inclination to lie down, with aggravation on lying on left side, slightest noise startles from sleep. Dread from motion modifies craving for tobacco, tobacco heart, asthmatic complaints. Headaches and mental states of smokers, very forgetful, does not know about the occurrences of things. Confused headache with pain in shoulder, pressure in eyes and forehead. Extremely sensitive to noise, throbbing in ear. Stomach, gnawing in orifice of stomach, which prevents deep breathing with and eructation, stomach feels full of dry food, sensation of fluttering. Acrid vomiting, thirstless and tolerates only warm drinks. Sighing, respiration. Male, pruritus, glands very red, organs seems larger, puffed, relaxed, cold, sweating, skin of scrotum thick. Erections when half asleep, fees when fully awake. Impotency, relaxation of penis during excitement, no emission and no orgasm during embrace. Female, pruritus of vulva and vagina during pregnancy, voluptuousness, cramp pains in uterus at night. Sweet sweat attracts flies, insect bites burn and itch intensely, itching rash alternates with asthma, burning sensation and erysipelatous inflammation. Respiratory, larynx seems constricted, breathing impeded, catarrhal asthma, mucus not readily rest, patient afraid to go to sleep. Modalities, better after sweat, after sleeping in daytime, worse motion. Relationship, complementary nitric acid, compare capsicum, phosphorus, causticum, lycopodium, Ikshugandha, sexual weakness, emissions, prostatic enlargement. Dose 3rd to 6th attenuation.